Hey folks, we had a hot day today. Temperatures over 100 in the western half of the valley. We're back into the 80s right now. 87 in McAllen, 86 in a bunch of places, 87 in Brownsville and at the island. And if we look at the dew points, they are way up, 75 to 79. We just checked the island ago. Dew point was 80 there. So we'll put an average of about 78 on the Muggy meter. And that is pegging the needle, if you will. We're right near the top. It's about as sticky as it can get out there. At least the breeze keeps the air moving a little bit. Tomorrow's highs are going to be back over 100 almost every place. Brownsville 99, the island 90, but when you're 100 plus, even 99, add that humidity in and it feels like anywhere from 110 to 115, so there is a heat advisory in effect for the daytime hours tomorrow. The normal high for this time of year, the 30-year average is 95 for early September, and we're going to be running 100, 199. Not quite the records, but close. We might push it tomorrow. Wouldn't be surprised if a few places at least reach that 101 mark. Satellite very quiet across the area tonight. Future Track says it stays quiet with just patchy clouds and mostly sunny skies during the daytime tomorrow. I think that goes for the rest of the week. I think mostly sunny all week long, and that leaves us with dry conditions over the area. Let's look big picture for a moment, and we'll start tonight. There's a front up in North Texas. It's going to stay up there. It's pretty much stalled up in North Texas. It goes away. Let it run through Friday, and notice we start to see tropical moisture coming into South Texas. There's a wave out in the Caribbean that's going to push westward, and while the biggest part of the wave will be south, some of that moisture comes into here and gives us scattered showers. At the same time, a front comes into Texas on Saturday. As close as it gets, it washes out, and we still have tropical moisture around on Sunday, so scattered showers still possible on Sunday. That front washes out, but then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, here comes this front, and most of the models are starting to hint that this front might actually be able to come in here. This is next week, sometime Wednesday or Thursday. Turn things a little bit cooler. Remember, the normal high is 95, so we back off a couple degrees. It's still 93, but at least a little bit of a change. So we'll see. That's the end of next week. In the meantime, this is the system we're watching. It's headed toward the Caribbean. It's in the Caribbean, headed toward Central America. We'll watch that one, see where that's headed. But for the most part, we think the bulk of that will stay to the south. Here's the next depression. It's number 15. That takes off out in the North Atlantic and stays away from land. It will probably get the name Nana. You see it has the tropical storm symbol there, so that may be the next name on the alphabet. But again, it stays out in the open Atlantic. Two other systems we're watching, the one right here that's got a 70 to 80% of chance of development. One coming off Africa has a 30% chance, but again, this one, I think a bulk of this goes into Central America. Some of the moisture on the northern end of that could push into South Texas. That's what gives us that increased rain chance this weekend. So tonight, skies clear, it's breezy and warm, 82, then tomorrow back to 100, sunny, windy. Then wind out of the southeast, 15 to 25 with gusts to 35. Here's a look at the next 7 days. Your first 1-5 AccuWeather forecast keeps temperatures in the upper 90s through Thursday and Friday, but then we cool it off a little as the chance of rain goes up over the weekend, including the Labor Day holiday. That's your updated first 1-5 AccuWeather forecast.